grade today for our activity for grammar. We are talking about plural nouns, and we are talking about irregular plural nouns. Remember that if something is irregular, it means it's not normal. You will remember that when we were talking about singular and plural nouns before, we could talk about a dog, and then if I wanted to talk about more than one dog, I would just add an S. If I was talking about a sock, and now I wanted to say I found 3 socks, I would just add an S. Okay? I have a crutch, but I have 2 crutches. See, because it had the TCH at the end, I had to add an E before my S. Now, remember that this week, starting yesterday, we talked about the plural nouns being irregular, where they don't follow the ES and the S rule. So what you're going to do today is you're going to practice identifying the singular and the plural. What I would like you to do is cut each of these words out on the dotted lines. When you have got them cut out on the dotted lines, you are going to be pasting them into the correct spot. Okay, so this sheet you're going to end up cutting like this. And like this. So this is all that you're going to have left. Okay, and then you'll cut out these pieces. I'm just going to cut out man and men because it was at the bottom. So for our purposes, it's the easiest for me to do. You'll see that I am cutting it on the dotted lines. Okay, so I have man, and I have men. Now, which of these words is singular and which of those words is plural? Well, I talk about one man. The man is at the table. That's one. That's singular. So I'm going to put man in the singular spot. And then the plural of man is men. There are many men working on that house. Okay, so you'll have the singular and then you'll have the plural right next to it. Now, you will have to find which ones are singular and which ones are plural as you're going through here. So it's going to be easiest to cut them all out first and kind of line them up how you think they belong, and then make sure to glue them on. When you're done, this is the only piece that I'll need back into your Wednesday folder.